Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Cubot P50. So in order to do this, let's open Google Play Store. Here we want to find Google Classroom. Install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, click on Get Started, choose the account, go for this plus button, join the class and enter the class code right here. After that, simply click on the join and you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.